Hey, Jason over here at Conveyor, and in this video we're going to talk about captions or transcripts. So Conveyor does not have the sense in which you can add transcripts to videos, and that's because the videos that we integrate with, or the video players that we integrate with, already have those baked in. So right now we're looking at a video in Conveyor that is using Vimeo. In Vimeo, you can set your subtitles or your captions that are going to appear on the video. And this was done automatically. Vimeo added those automatically to the videos. So when you look over here, this is YouTube, and YouTube, as we play this, we can hit the caption button here and we can turn them off and on and view those in line with what we're doing. Those are also automatically done with YouTube. Now with Vimeo, you might have to pay for a subscription to have the transcripting. And with YouTube, you definitely have to edit your videos because in the past they have not had punctuation or capitalization. I don't know if that's changed in the last 6 months, but I moved away from that and use Adobe Premiere Pro for my transcriptions, and I have very little editing. Now, you can also use another software like Capwing. Capwing is what our team uses for videos in Instagram. So if you want to add this kind of text over top on your own, then you might go the route of using Capwing. They're relatively inexpensive, especially compared to Adobe Premiere Pro, but this is Capwing, and you can view their pricing. It's all inline and editing of your own videos. It's all online, I should say. So that's how we answer that question. Now, one final thing is that if you get your transcript, let's say that you upload a video onto YouTube. In YouTube, they will automatically type it all out. They'll automatically transcribe. So maybe in a lesson, you want to just take that full transcription and drop it in a text. Then you could do that like so. You just drop it into a text and then have that surfaced after a video, or you could even have it with the video underneath. But the person who is reviewing it would have to see the video plus the text. So let's just throw some text in here real quick. So now we have some text in here. And so you could save it and do it this way, where you have start of a new section deselected and the video is not showcased by itself. And so you could have that text in here like so. But if it's long text, the user is going to have to scroll through this and they won't be able to see the video at the same time. So that's why we recommend using YouTube's and Vimeo's, all their baked-in transcription services. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this, reach out to us at support@conveyor.com, and we'd love to catch you and give you some advice on types of things like this. Thanks so much.